Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a blowout on my hair, and I'm going to be using the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer to blow out my hair. I have done like a couple of blowouts on my hair, like literally like a couple. I think I've done it like twice. I'm not very good at it, and I'm still trying to figure out a method that doesn't leave my hair feeling so dry. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna blow it out and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on this. So yeah, let's get started. My hair is washed, clean. I shampooed. I did ACV and a bentonite clay mask, and I co-wash. Well, it's not a co-wash. I conditioned, and my hair is kind of damp. I'm probably gonna spray it again just to be sure that it's not too dry. And we have it also in 4 sections. So let's go get into. I did like a lot of research, and the last time I tried to blow, I did like my full lock method, and I'm not really seeing anybody else do that. And I feel like that's what made my hair feel so like, because the products were burning. So this time I'm just doing leave-in, and we'll see. So we're just gonna start in the back. I like hit my nail on something yesterday, and my thumb is so tender because of it. So this is what we got. We're working with. It's still kind of damp, but I'm gonna spray it just a little bit just to be sure. And then I'm going to take my As I Am leave-in conditioner and just apply this to the hair. We're only sitting in this position today to film because it was easier to just make my bed than to make my bed and clean my room. You know, lazy girl hacks. So that's in. I don't want to do super small sections. Oh, I need to detangle. So I definitely want to detangle my hair first because these bristles are like very like paddle brush-ish. I would never use this on my hair to detangle, so I just want to make sure that my hair is detangled as much as possible before we even get started because I'm not trying to lose no hair. So I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb, detangle, and this also makes sure that the leave-in is all the way through the hair. Alright, and then I'm going to take my Tangle Buster and run through that just to be sure. Because like I said, that brush is rough, and I don't want to rip out any of my hair. And then I'm just going to split this section in half and pin the other one up. I just want to do sections that are too big. And let's get started. So it has an off setting, it has cool, it has low, and it has high. I don't know what to use. I don't want to do low and have to do too many passes on my hair, but I also don't want to worry about heat damage while doing it on high. So for heat protectants, I have the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Protector Straightening Mist. This obviously isn't a flat iron, but this has like a really high heat protection, so I thought it would work. And it's the only one that I have in my house, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this on my hair. And let's get started. I feel like I should have a glove because my hands are getting slick. I'm going to do it on high. Not bad. I feel like it's just like my ends, my roots look good, which is surprising, but my ends are like puffing up. So don't know. I also know that I desperately need a trim. Also detangling it really helps because it didn't snag at all. Show you guys what it looks like. I think I need to do this piece over again because the ends are not coming out silky smooth. All right, I'm gonna quickly begin to finish up the rest of my hair. Okay, we're done. My hands hurt. This looks pretty good. It's got a nice, very nice and voluminous. My ends feel kind of dry, but like I said, my ends are really dead and I need a haircut, so that's not the fault of the dryer. It's pretty good. I did a lot better than the last couple times that I tried. What I figured out is that I've been really scared to keep the heat on my hair for too long, and that's why my hair don't be getting kind of like sleek looking, because I'm too afraid to keep passing the blow dryer or the Revlon thing for too long. So once I kind of gave that up, that's when they all started to look really good. All right, now I'm gonna wear my hair in a ponytail for the rest of the week. Yeah, I think this came out really, really good. My hair's pretty blown out. I kind of figured out, you know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Come talk to me down below in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see new videos in your inbox every week. And until next time, spread love, be kind. I'll see you guys later. Bye.